The vastness of the Pacific Ocean presents unique challenges. It demands constant vigilance and a keen eye for detail. The sheer size and unpredictable nature of the ocean make it a formidable environment for any operation. The United States Pacific Fleet conducts rigorous exercises to hone its skills and ensure readiness. These exercises are crucial for maintaining the fleet's operational capabilities and preparedness for any situation. In a recent exercise, a new player emerged, the Vanilla UAV. This innovative unmanned aerial vehicle is designed to enhance the fleet's surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities. This unassuming aircraft showcased its capabilities in a series of impressive demonstrations. Its advanced technology and design make it a valuable asset for the fleet. It demonstrated the future of maritime surveillance, offering a glimpse into the next generation of military technology. The Vanilla UAV's capabilities are a testament to the advancements in unmanned systems. The Vanilla UAV soared above the fleet, providing a bird's-eye view of the entire operation. Its high-altitude flight and long endurance make it ideal for extended missions. It provided a persistent eye in the sky, continuously monitoring the area and relaying critical information back to the fleet. This constant surveillance is essential for maintaining situational awareness. The exercise simulated real-world scenarios, testing the fleet's response to various challenges. These simulations are designed to prepare the fleet for any eventuality. These included search and rescue, intelligence gathering, and maritime domain awareness. Each scenario tested the Vanilla UAV's capabilities and the fleet's ability to adapt to new technology. Throughout the exercise, the Vanilla UAV exceeded expectations, proving its worth as a reliable and versatile tool for the fleet. Its performance highlighted the potential for future unmanned systems in military operations. The Vanilla UAV is not just another drone. It boasts an impressive combination of endurance, payload capacity, and affordability. This trifecta makes it a game-changer in military surveillance. The Vanilla UAV can stay airborne for over 72 hours. This endurance surpasses most existing drones. It can carry a variety of sensors and payloads. These include high-resolution cameras, infrared imagers, and even communication relays. And remarkably, the Vanilla UAV achieves all this at a fraction of the cost of traditional surveillance aircraft. The implications of the Vanilla UAV's capabilities are far-reaching and transformative for modern military operations. For the Navy, it offers a persistent and cost-effective way to monitor vast maritime areas, ensuring that no activity goes unnoticed. It can track surface vessels, detect submarines, and provide real-time intelligence to commanders at sea, enhancing their ability to respond swiftly to emerging threats. The UAV's data can be easily shared across different platforms and commands, facilitating seamless integration into existing military operations. This enhances situational awareness and enables faster decision-making, giving military leaders a significant edge in complex scenarios. This capability is not just limited to the Navy. The Army and Air Force are also leveraging the Vanilla UAV for their own strategic purposes. Other military branches are recognizing the potential of the Vanilla UAV for their diverse missions, from reconnaissance to direct support in combat operations, making it an invaluable asset across the board. Section 4. Endurance and the shifting battlefield. The Vanilla UAV's exceptional endurance has profound implications for military operations and logistics. Unlike traditional surveillance aircraft, which are often constrained by their limited fuel capacity, the Vanilla UAV can stay airborne for much longer durations. This capability is a game-changer in the realm of aerial surveillance. Traditional surveillance aircraft, while capable, are limited by their fuel capacity. They need to land frequently to refuel, which interrupts their missions and reduces their overall effectiveness. This necessitates frequent refueling and limits their time on station. Each refueling operation not only takes time, but also requires additional resources and planning. The Vanilla UAV's extended endurance allows it to remain over the area of interest for significantly longer periods. This continuous presence is crucial for gathering uninterrupted intelligence and maintaining situational awareness. This persistence translates to better coverage, reduced risk, and improved efficiency. The ability to capture continuous footage without the need for frequent breaks ensures that no critical moments are missed. It reduces the need for frequent deployments and minimizes the logistical footprint of surveillance operations. With fewer takeoffs and landings, the Vanilla UAV streamlines operations, making them more efficient and less resource-intensive. Section 5. The Vanilla Advantage. The company behind the Vanilla UAV is committed to innovation and collaboration. They are working closely with the Navy and other military branches to tailor the UAV's capabilities to specific operational requirements. The company's focus on affordability is also noteworthy. They believe that advanced technology should be accessible to a wider range of users. This approach challenges the traditional paradigm of expensive and complex military hardware. Section 6. A new era of surveillance. The vanilla UAV represents a paradigm shift in military surveillance. Its unique combination of endurance, payload capacity, and affordability opens up new possibilities for maritime domain awareness, intelligence gathering, and force protection. As the technology continues to mature and evolve, we can expect to see the vanilla UAV playing an increasingly important role in future military operations. This will usher in a new era of persistent, adaptable, and cost-effective surveillance from the skies.